Hello everyone, welcome to comprehensive learning. In this class we will be discussing about water supply engineering part 2. I myself Prabhashankar VP, Assistant Professor and Department of Civil Engineering of Christ College of Engineering. We will start with question number 1. Which of the following can be identified as the objective of water supply scheme? We have 4 options. Option A, chlorination of water. B, treat water. C, safe water supply. And fourth, ionization of water. The correct answer is safe water supply. In general, the objective of water supply scheme includes safe water supply, supplying sufficient quantity of water, supply of water to a convenient point with reasonable cost, and household cleanness of the users. So from the different options we have got the correct answer as safe water supply. Question number 2. Which of the following indicates the component of a water supply scheme? Here also we have 4 options. First one, impure water. B, chlorination of water. C, subsurface water. And D, intake of water. The protected water supply scheme consists of 4 components. Those include sources of water from where it is being produced, intake of water, then treatment of water, and finally the distribution of treated water. So our correct answer is intake of water. So D is the correct answer. Question number 3. While considering the design period, which must be given more priority? We have 4 options. A as area of land, B population, C usage of water, and D arrangement of pipes. The correct option is B population. Design period is considered based on the population present in a particular area. While considering design period, population forecast method has to be used for designing the upcoming population in that area. By doing that, the design period can be estimated for a particular water tank construction or for any other construction of a treatment scheme. So the answer is B population. Question number 4. The design period of a storage reservoir can be given as dash. Option A 50 years, B 20 years, C 30 year, D 10 year. And the correct answer is design period of storage reservoir is 50 years. So storage reservoir designed for 50 years. Every water storage structure having certain design period based on different factors like for example population present in that area. So the design period of storage reservoir is 50 years. Question number 5. In slow sand filter, the turbidity of raw water can be removed only up to, we have got 4 options. A 60 mg per liter, B 75 mg per liter, C 100 mg per liter, and D 150 mg per liter. The correct answer from these options is 60 mg per liter. So in slow sand filters, turbidity can only remove up to 60 mg per liter. Question number 6. B.O.D, that is biochemical oxygen demand of safe drinking water must be, we have 4 options. A nil, B 5, C 10, and D 15. For a safe safe drinking water, there should not be any B.O.D present in the water. So the answer is nil. A nil. Presence of B.O.D indicates that it is not safe for drinking, because the presence of B.O.D is a factor which shows that it contains some kind of pollutants in the water. So here the answer is A nil. Coming to question number 7. Acidity of water is caused due to, we have got 5 options. First one, mineral acids, then free CO2, then iron sulfide, then aluminum sulfide, last one, all of the above. So actually acidity of the water is caused by all these compounds: mineral acids, free CO2, iron sulfate and aluminum sulfate. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 8. The transitional middle portion of a logistic curve follows. We have 4 options: A, geometric growth, B, logarithmic growth, C, a first over curve, and D, a constant growth. So for a logistic curve, we can divide into 3 portions. The first curve, the curve can be divided into 3 portions: the bottom curve, the middle part, and the upper curve. The bottom curve shows a the growth rate increasing, that is increasing growth rate, and the middle portion shows a constant growth, and the upper curve shows a decreasing rate of growth. So the middle part of the logistic curve follows a constant growth. So the answer is D, a constant growth. Question number 9. Economic height of a dam is the height corresponding to which? We have 4 options. First one, cost of the dam per unit of storage is minimum. B, amount of silting is less. C, cost of dam per unit storage is maximum. Fourth one, freeboard provided is least. So economic height of a dam can be theoretically defined as the height for which the cost of dam per million cubic meter of storage is minimum. So here we have got the answer as cost of dam per unit of storage is minimum. So answer is A. Coming to question number 10. Distribution means of any water supply is normally designed for its average daily requirement of A as 100%, B 150, C 200, D 225. So it is designed for 225% of its average daily requirement. So answer is D. Question number 11. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Statement A. Detention period for plain sedimentation tank ranges between 4 to 8 hours. B. Detention period for sedimentation tanks using coagulants usually ranges between 2 to 4 hours. C. Horizontal flow velocity in sedimentation tank is generally limited to 0.3 meter per minute. And D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is D, all of the above, because all the statements are correct. For plain sedimentation tank, detention period is 4 to 8 hours. For sedimentation tank using coagulants, detention period is 2 to 4 hours. And horizontal flow in sedimentation tanks is 0.3 meter per minute. So all these statements are correct. So the answer is D, all of the above. Question number 12. A high velocity of wash water required for A. Rapid gravity filter with strainers. B. Rapid gravity filter without strainers. C. Slow sand filter with strainers. D. Slow sand without strainers. So here the answer is rapid gravity filter without strainers. Comparing rapid gravity filter and slow sand filter, rapid gravity filters require more wash water for cleaning. And comparing rapid gravity filter with strainers and without strainers, comparatively rapid gravity filter without strainers require more water. So the answer is B, rapid sand filter without strainers. Question number 13. In distribution pipes, drain valves are provided at option A, lower points, B, higher points, C, junction points, and D, anywhere. Usually drain valves are provided at the lower points of distribution pipes. So here the answer is option A, lower points. Question number 14. Manholes along the mains from the sources to a city are provided at 500-meter interval in, we have four options. First one, A, steel pipes, B, RCC pipes, C, Hume steel pipes, and D, all of the above. So here the answer is all of the above. So all the pipes based on the materials, we have steel pipes, RCC pipes, and Hume steel pipes. For all these pipes, a 500-meter spacing is provided for the manholes along the mains from the sources to a city. Question number 15. For determining the velocity of flow of underground water, the most commonly used non-empirical formula is, we have four options. A, Darcy's formula, B, Schlichter's formula, C, Hassen's formula, and D, Lacey's formula. So usually we are using Darcy's formula for finding out the velocity of underground water. So the answer is A, Darcy's formula. Question number 16. Annual average rainfall at any station is the average of annual rainfall over a period of, we have got four options. A, 14 years, B, 21 years, C, 28 years, and D, 35 years. So to find out the annual average rainfall at any station, 35 years of the annual rainfall is taken. So the answer is D, 35 years. Question number 17. The standard B.O.D at 20 degrees Celsius is taken for the consumption in A, 2 days, B, 3 days, C, 5 days, and D, 7 days. So the answer is 5 days. So the standard B.O.D test at 20 degrees Celsius is done for 5 days. Question number 18. A recuperation test is carried out to determine option A, turbidity of water, B, pH of water, C, yield of well, D, discharge from a well. So the recuperation test is carried out to determine the yield of an well. So the answer is option C. Question number 19. Mathamoglobinemia or blue baby syndrome disease is caused due to, we have four options. A, chlorides, B, nitrites, C, nitrates, and D, sulphates. So this is a very common question in PSC or GATE. So the answer is nitrates. So mathamoglobinemia or blue baby syndrome is caused due to nitrates. Question number 20. Normal values of overflow rate for plain sedimentation tank is A, 250 to 500 liters per hour per m square, B, 500 to 750 liters per hour per m square, C, 750 to 1000 liters per hour per m square, D, 1000 to 1250 liters per hour per m square. So overflow rate for the plain sedimentation tank is 500 to 750 liters per hour per m square. So the answer is B. Question number 23. The period of cleaning of a slow sand filter is usually, we have five options. Option A, 5 to 10 days, B, 2 weeks to 3 weeks, option C, 1 month to 3 months, option D, 3 months to 6 months, and option E, 1 year. So the usually slow sand filter is cleaned in a period of 1 to 3 months. So the answer is option C. Question number 24. The best quality of filter material is obtained from quartzite if it does not lose weight when placed in hydrochloric acid for 24 hours. More than, we have 5 options: A 5%, B 8%, C 10%, D 12%, and E 15%. So if quartzite is to be used as a filter material, if it does not lose weight when placed in hydrochloric acid for 24 hours, more than 5%, so it should not lose its weight more than 5% if it is immersed in hydrochloric acid. So the answer is A, option A, 5%. Question number 25. 1 degree of hardness of water means a content of salt of option A 10.25 mg per liter, B 12.25 mg per liter, C 14.25 mg per liter, option D 16.25 mg per liter, and option E 20 mg per liter. So 1 degree of hardness of water means a salt content of, the right answer is 14.25 mg per liter. So the correct answer is C. Question number 26. If G is the specific gravity of particles of diameter small d, the velocity of settlement V in still water at T degrees Celsius according to Stokes' law is, we have got 4 options, and there are small changes in the all these 4 options, and from these options the correct answer is B. The correct equation is V is equal to 418 into 1 minus G into D into 3T minus 70 divided by 100. So the correct option is B.